Hello everyone, welcome today. Bienvenidos todos. So today we will be talking about Mirar versus ver. And we will begin today's class by watching this video. To watch this video, either click here
Hola, chicos y chicas.
or you can, one second, I know you can click somewhere else. It'll send you to this page. Right here, so you can see it even better.
Hola, chicos y chicas. Soy Carolina.
And so this is our introduction to today's class. This will give us a better insight on what we'll be discussing today.
El otro día, uno de mis alumnos me consultó sobre la diferencia entre los verbos mirar, ver y buscar. Entonces, hoy vamos a revisar las diferencias entre estos verbos para que no tengamos confusiones en su uso. Mirar es prestar mucha atención en lo que estás viendo. Por ejemplo, mi hermana mira las flores del jardín. Otro ejemplo, a mí me gusta mirar los pájaros en los árboles.
Just to restate what she said, the verb mirar is when concentrating on what you are looking at. Like she said, miro los pájaros, miro las flores. I am attentively looking at what I am seeing. I am looking at.
El verbo ver se refiere a la capacidad que tenemos de percibir cosas, de observar objetos, personas a nuestro alrededor a través de nuestros ojos. Por ejemplo, mi tío no ve bien porque necesita gafas. Otro ejemplo, mi hermana no pudo ver a mi tía porque había mucha gente. Para explicar un poco más la diferencia entre los verbos mirar y ver, recordemos que mirar se refiere a un acto deliberado y consciente, mientras que ver alude a la capacidad que tenemos para observar objetos o personas a nuestro alrededor. Buscar.
To restate what she was saying, ver is the capacity of us to see things. For example, yo puedo ver muy lejos. I can see very far. It would also be a good way to see it is I can see things, as that is ver. Mirar is to see things more attentively, and in that way, we can go into our next assignment. So right here, this will be for later. Then we have this picture right here. It says buscar, which we will cover over in the next part of class. Ver, to see. Veo al pájaro. I see the bird. Mirar, to look at, to watch. Miro al pájaro comer. As you can see here, we are just watching. We are just seeing this bird. Bam. And right here, we are watching or we are looking at how this bird is eating. And if we go right here and we click this, this might look different right now. But if we click this right here, it'll take you to the, it'll look different on yours. But make sure you go on File and you put Save As so you can edit it for yourself. So right here is our first worksheet, Mirar o ver. Mirar o ver. So right here, I would like you guys to fill in the blank. So I have these four right here. Quiero blank la televisión. Estoy blank los pájaros volar. Me gusta blank películas. Quiero que blank mi proyecto. And if you have any questions with any of the vocab or have any questions on any specific question, just make sure you can talk to me or you can email me so we can make sure that you do this to the fullest of your potential. These are these four questions. And the next part is match the sentence. So right here we have me gusta ir al zoológico para blank los animales. And then the second one goes blank a mi mejor amigo en el restaurante ayer. And right here I put a question mark because we are not sure if it is mirar o ver for this first one or this second one. So that is what I want you guys to to answer. I want you guys to make sure that you get the right one, and if not, we can talk about it and see which one is the correct one. ¿Cuál es la correcta? And that is our first assignment. And if you guys have any questions, I have my email right here for you guys to email me. And make sure to fulfill this assignment before next class. Gracias and have a good day.